Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas. Today in the workshop we got a Mercedes CLS shooting brake. It's a 218 chassis and it's the AMG version. So this is in with us today to have a ambient lighting upgrade. So from factory these come with an option of 3 different colours, which I'll just show you now. So inside the vehicle, just about see underneath the dash panel and all the doors, we've got some ambient lighting. These go to the back doors also. And then at the minute our standard options are just a 3, so if we just go over to settings, we'll go down to light, and we'll go down to the ambient lighting colour. So at the minute we can change that. If we go down, we've got polar, then we've got a neutral colour, and then a solar. So that's our 3 options at the minute: solar, neutral and polar. So the kit we're fitting today will give us an option of 12 colours, which would be nice, something a bit different. First time we've ever fitted this kit before, so it'd be interesting to see how it goes, see what it's like at the end of it. So just to give you a quick example of the lighting element, this is what you'll have inside your doors. Along your dash panel, it's just like a little LED. And like I say, these are in all the doors. It's the back doors. And then you'll have the LED element at the end, and it will just shine right down the door. So to start with, we're just going to whip all 4 door cards off, and then we'll start installing the kit. So I've just removed one of the rear door cards, just a couple of bolts, nothing too bad to get the door card off. And then as you can see, this is our ambient lighting strip just underneath this trim piece. And if I just flip it round, that's our little LED, that's the old one. If you've never removed the door card or the door card trims, I wouldn't recommend trying it yourself. These are very expensive panels if they get damaged, so just be careful when removing them. And then I've got my new kit to run into the rear door just there. So what I'll do is I'll feed this wire up and then connect it onto the strip, and then I'll do that with the other 4 doors. So just an update on the CLS. Got the kit pretty much fitted now. All the other door cards are back on, we're just left with the driver's door. So I've already took the trim piece off, installed the new LEDs. That will go into the door control unit, just piggyback off there. That plug there, that will go to the rest of the vehicle, which I'll show you in a minute. And then a nice little touch also, where the door handle is, there's a little light. So that was a single colour before, but now that runs in with our new loom, so that'll be multicoloured as well. Just show you inside the vehicle. So we've had to remove most of the dash, so there's a LED strip fits in this panel here, just underneath there, and then that's my new wiring loom fitted. There's a big LED strip that goes all the way along this front panel, so I've removed the front trim, wired it all up, so our plug comes out there. And then what I've done is I've run that all behind the dash panel, so it's just nice and neat. And then it all runs into the front door. So what I've done is I've run the loom down the A-pillar through the door loom itself, and it's come up through the plastic trunking in the door and it's come up here. So my kit will just fit to that plug there. So another nice little feature is your lamps below your feet on the driver's and passenger side. That was just a single colour lamp before, and then the loom runs down to both sides and just fits in place with the old existing lamp. So when we've got our different colours, that will all tie in nicely down the bottom. First time I fit the kit, so I'm not actually sure how it's going to work yet. So what I'll do is I'll get the trims back on, get the instrument panel back in, driver's door card on, and then we'll see what happens. So we just got all inside back together just to test it out first, and we have them working. See a nice little touch there with the little door handle light. Before that was just a one colour, now that changes with the rest, so there's a nice little touch there. So I'll just flick the lights off to give you a better picture. And then all we do to change the colour, we've still got our options of 3 on the dash, but when we go up, change colour, and we'll just go down 2, and every time we change up and down, the vehicle changes colours. Yeah, really nice. Quite impressed with that kit. We've got 12 different colours now. See if we can find the red to match his vehicle. And yeah, we'll stick with the red. Yeah, really nice. Just got finished putting the panels back on now. Now I know they're all working. Just same in the back doors. Nice little feature, same with the backs, just where your door handle is. And that one's all done. I'll put a link in the description of the kit that the customers bought. Nice kit. Wouldn't recommend doing it yourself unless you've had experience with vehicle wiring and removing door cards and panels in the interior. Just in case you break anything. Can be quite expensive, but no, it's a nice little kit. I'm impressed with that. Hope you found this short video useful. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and we'll see you on the next one.